Students, today we will learn how to create JavaScript program with the help of conditional operators. So conditional operators have two parts, one is question mark and one is semicolon. After the question mark, always the true and false answers are written, and in between there is the semicolon to separate the true and false answer. So let's start the program. So first of all, this is the basic part, exclamation mark, doc type, HTML, then HTML body, script language, JavaScript, type equal to text slash JavaScript, and this is the ending portion. Now let's start. We will take two variable var age comma result, and for age we will specify a value equals to 20. Okay, now comes the third line. In the third line, see result equal to age greater than 18 question mark, then double inverted comma, inside that over 18 years. This is the true part. Always near the question mark the portion is for the true portion, and after the semicolon the portion is for the false portion. So the true part is over 18 years and the false part is below or equals to 18 years, and our condition is result equal to age greater than 18. This is the condition. Okay, all of you. Now next we will type a statement, document dot write inside the bracket result. So this is without any inverted commas, means this is not a statement to be displayed in the output stream. This is the name of the variable result. This is the name of the variable which I have written inside document.write. So what will happen, as soon as the processor will check the age, it will display the true or false answer. Now let's save it. File, save as. So age 1 dot html, save it, minimize it. So let me cross this one. Yes, we have minimized. This is my age 1 document. Enter Explorer, double click it. So we will click in allow block content. So this is the answer, this is the output in the web page, over 18 years. So why this is displaying over 18 years? Because age greater than 18 means my age is 20. Is 20 greater than 18? Yes, it is true. Always the true part is displays when the answer is true, and the false part display when the answer is false. So we have got over 18 years. This is the true answer. Now let me change the age, let me make it 12 and save it. Saved. Now minimize. Now right click, refresh. So what has become? Below or equal to 18 years, because now the age is 12 years. So it is a false answer, therefore the false portion is displayed, because if I input 12 in place of age, 12 greater than 18, it's false. So when the answer is false, it will display the second portion, because near the question mark the part is for the true answer, and after the semicolon the portion is for the false answer.